All right, hello everyone. This is Mr. Olson. This is the fifth video. For this video, it's gonna be short. We just want to talk about what happens when you see this at the top of your screen. So if you see any time that it says configure Python interpreter, and you might have errors elsewhere in your code. For instance, if we say something like let's make a variable. Let's make something like container is equal to 5. Well, we can get errors if we don't have a Python interpreter, or if we try and run this, we'll get this error here where it says we can't find this file we're looking for. We're looking for python.exe, so we have to configure our project to find this. There's two ways to do this. One way, you can click on File, you go to Settings, and then we're going to find whatever the name of your project is. So I'm going to click on Project here, and then we're going to click on Interpreter. And we're going to see that it's trying to use some other project's interpreter, and we've got to add our own. So we'd go to Add Local Interpreter, and look at that, it already found where Python's installed, and we could use this. So that's one way, and if we hit OK, it would load the interpreter, and it'd be able to run Python code. The other way is we can just click on this blue link here and select our interpreter. If we've used an interpreter before, meaning if we've used Python for something else, we're going to have examples here. PyCharm is just bringing up different routes to get to Python. In fact, you could use the interpreter of another project, which we don't really want to do. We'd like to find the base interpreter where it is on our computer, but we don't have to. For our computers, it's going to be in a slightly different location. If you look at the bottom of the screen, you can see it. We're kind of nested down in some links in the C drive. For your computers, it's going to be also in the C drive, but just within the programs file, I believe is where you can find it. So also it will be in programs, and we'll just use this one here. And when we click it, it's going to load a few things. It's going to set up what it needs to. And at this point, we would already be able to run our file. It's going to just update some other things. And when we run this, let's say we want to print what's in here so we can see some kind of action. When we run this, we can actually run our program. So we have configured our interpreter correctly. And that's it for this video.